Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. So this sutra is from Amitabha Bodhisattva, and you guys want to recite this if you're having minor obstacle and hindrances that keep on happening. At the beginning of my spiritual journey, a period came around where I needed to recite this mantra because just different weird obstacles would happen, guys. Just things being harder in like day-to-day life. And it was just like really annoying, frustrating little things, and I learned about this sutra and found out about Amitabha Bodhisattva and this mantra. So go ahead and recite this mantra with me, guys. You're going to want to get your mala ready, and without further ado, let's get into the sutra. Get your mala ready, guys, and let's go ahead and start. Omami dewase, 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 omami dewase. Omami dewase, 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 omami dewase. So that was one mala of Amitabha Bodhisattva's mantra, guys. So there's 108 beads in a mala if you guys don't know, and it's a sacred number for a reason. It also represents your 108 charkas that you have. But long story short, I went ahead and recited one mala of it, guys. Depending on how severe your problem is and things are, you're going to want to do a certain amount of malas. You guys, I can just recommend using your intuition, using your gut feeling, connect with your divinity, and connect with Amitabha Bodhisattva to help guide you on how many malas you should recite. And if you guys don't have a mala, just go ahead and recite your sutra. Just have faith, have pure heart, and everything will come into place. Has how I got my beautiful mala that I actually DIY'd, as well as my prayer roll that I was using in this video. So without further ado, may all those who watch this video be blessed in your loving embrace Amitabha Bodhisattva. Please bless their path, and so it is. Blessed be. Amin Namu Tofu. And that was Amitabha Bodhisattva's mantra, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sutra video, and my magical peeps watching, you guys can recite this mantra to help charge your crystals, your magical potions, to charge your holy water, to charge your tools. It's really good to recite these sacred mantras so they help imbue your magical items with divine power. And without further ado, like always, guys, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls.